Hi, my name is Keenan Tavon Ernest Whitson. Um, I'll be going quickly through the writing process and the elements of the essay. What is the writing process? It's like any other process. You have to get through all the series of steps to achieve a goal. Just think of baking or construction or coding. These are all processes. So you apply writing, you get a series of steps to help you construct a written composition. You might be thinking, what are the steps? Follow these steps. First step, pre-writing. Second is outlining. The third is drafting. And the fourth step is revision. Fifth step is editing. And the first step is pre-writing, which is where you have all your ideas and everything, thoughts, and you jot down on a paper or online document. A good example would be brainstorming ideas, researching a topic, and idea mapping. Why is this important? It's mainly to focus on your topic. So if you don't have a topic, you can't write. So the second step, outlining, is taking all your information and putting it in order. This is very important to make it sound clear to your audience and have it make sense. There's three common ways. I'm just going to quickly go over these. Chronological order is just basically putting things in a time sequence. So you wake up at 6, you get dressed at 7, leave to work at 8. And the second is more to do with the audience's senses. So take a character that's in the story that's sitting next to a person, they smell like rotten eggs. Sit next to a person that smells like rotten eggs is that spatial order. The third order of importance is just ranking. So highest priority to lowest priority. It's more important when it's least important. The third step, the most important step, is where you assemble all your ideas and form it into an essay, which is started with the introduction, supporting your bodies, and summarizing the conclusion. Now, you probably should take down all of your information before you step away, and you really don't want to procrastinate because you could forget, because you could develop something called writer's block. And a good way to combat that is writing this paragraph at a time, stopping, taking a 10 to 15 minute break, and just make sure you set a goal for yourself. You're writing the right one paragraph, you're writing the right two paragraphs, maybe three. It's whatever, it depends on you. Yes, you're not done yet. There's 2 more steps to go through. Revision. It's you take another step to make your writing a lot more clear and concise. There's global and local revision. So global, you see, it focuses on the big parts. It focuses mainly on changing maybe your idea, and then local is more of changing like sentence structure. Editing is where you polish everything to a fine tuned product of your literature, the maximum of your ability. You fix all of your grammar, your punctuation, your sentence structures, and this will really help you improve your writing style. If you're using a computer, I would recommend you use these sources, Grammarly, Quillbot. They can help you and assist you as you're writing, and they're just really good tools to help you, for spelling checks and punctuation. In conclusion, we've learned pre-writing starts the written ideas, outlining is put in order, ideas in order, drafting is completing the first part of your essay, revising is making changes to your essay, and editing is correcting any mistakes. This might be the end of the presentation, but I hope it's the beginning of well-structured essays, because I want you to practice these because you can become champion. This will help you improve your skills. Thank you for attending my presentation. These are all the sources I have. Again, my name is Keenan Tavon Ernest Whitson. Thank you.